these two posts that we have created behind the scene, and if we now head back to any one of these, if we click into it, we can see that this is the categories that I had created. This is the subtle, this is the testing, and if you wish to have added another category, then all you need to do, you need to add new category. Click onto this add new category, then you may put here this added category thing here, and then all you need to do, you need to press enter, and you can see that this added category is now added practically to our theme. So this is the thing that we have done right over here behind this scene update. And if we reload it into our project, we just cannot view, there it goes, we just cannot view any kind of categories into our project. So all we need to do, we need to display the categories those we have created. In this respect, if we head back to this functions.php, first of all put it down. So here we'll be setting some categories first. Now in this respect, the very first thing that we are going to do, we are going to add another variable which is known as category, and here we will be making usage of this WordPress function get the category. Now get the category is a WordPress function which is going to retrieve the category of the post. So that is why we are going to make usage of it right over here. We don't have a need of anything to put inside, so we are removing all parameters. There it goes. In the second case, we are going to create another variable which is known as separator, and here we are putting a comma here, and we are going to add a space. And in the last case, we are going to make usage of a third variable which is known as output, and we are going to put it empty. So these are the variables those we need in this particular case in the preliminary basis. Now in the second case, we will be needing some kind of if-else statement right over here. Like we will be checking if so what we are doing here, we are first checking whether this variable category is empty or what. If it is not empty, this exclamatory sign above this empty function, it practically defines that if this is not empty, if this variable category it is not empty, then all it is going to do, for every single variable category which should be known as $cat. So the output will be updated each time whenever there is a new category retrieved by this WordPress function get the category. If it is a single one, then it will be one, but if it is multiple or more than one, then for all those categories which is returned by this WordPress function here, what will be the result? What will they do? It will update the output here. Here is 2. This is the sign. That means each time whenever a new category is returned, the output will be updated. And here all we need to do, first of all, it will return the category name and along with the separator. There it goes, separator. So I think this is pretty much clear what we have to do right over here. In the first case, it will be checking whether this category variable it is empty or not. If it is not empty, then for each values retrieved, the output will be updated. with the name of the category along with the separator. Now if we press Ctrl S and return declared time, first of all let's see what is happening right over here, and for the time being we are putting this output here. So if we do it up to this far, get back to our project and reload, and we can see that we are practically returning all those categories in which this individual post practically belongs to, like this category Subble, testing, added category that we had added later, and in the same manner Subble, uncategorized. Now all the thing that we need to do, we need to make it look a little more spacious, make it display well, and the most of course thing that we need to do is to add links to these individual categories. So we need to put on some links to it,